Tay Keith, aka Britavious Keith Chambers, is an American producer and songwriter from Memphis, Tennessee. He began making music at age 14, around the same time that he met Blockboy JB. He started out using Mixcraft, but later on moved to FL Studio. His original intention was to create beats for himself and rap over them, but as time passed, he began focusing solely on the beat-making side of things. Tay Keith lists his main musical influences as being 3 6 Mafia, Yo Gotti, Young Dolph, Don Tripp, and Zedzilla. He gained mainstream success in 2018 after producing Blockboy JB's Rover, and he went on to produce for artists such as Drake, Travis Scott, and Eminem. Keith is best known for producing Blockboy JB's Look Alive, which peaked at number 5 on the Billboard Hot 100, and Drake's Non-Stop, which peaked at number 2. We need to figure out what kind of Tay Keith beat we're trying to make. He has beats that don't use any instruments, other than drums and an 808. An example of that is No Chorus by Blockboy JB. He also has beats with spacey bell-type sounds, such as Russian Cream by Key Glock. And he has the sound that I personally know him best for, which is the Look Alive or Not Alike type sound. I'm going to try to do the spacey bell-type style of beat, since the Look Alive types have been done to death, and just having drums and an 808 feels incomplete to me. Well, now that we've figured out which direction to take this, let's get into the cook-up. I pulled up these keys in Omnisphere, and I'm going to make a spooky sounding melody with them. Today I'll be using the scale of E minor. I'll speed up the footage here to save time. Here's what I came up with. I added a few effects. First, I added this EQ to cut the lows at 169 Hz, with a slight boost at 285 Hz. I threw this gross beat preset on there as well, and I'm going to automate it on and off to spice up the melody a little bit. Here's how it sounds. I'll be using this sound from Nexus as a counter melody. I pulled up these bells in Omnisphere, and I laid down this melody. I laid down this kick pattern. I made this 808 pattern. Tay Keith's 808s don't usually move around that much. Sometimes they just hit one note the whole time. If they do move, it tends to be near the end of the bar. I laid down a snare. I laid down this perk. I made this hat pattern. I found this riser sound that Tay Keith uses in all of his beats. I added some effects to it. First, I added this 1/2 delay. Then I threw a bunch of reverb on it. And finally, I applied an EQ with a low cut around 300 Hz. Here's how it sounds now. Here's what the drums sound like all together. Now it's time to write some lyrics. I'm just going to freestyle some random stuff over the beat. I mixed my vocals and mastered the track using the same method as always. I'll leave a link to my vocal mixing tutorial and beat mastering tutorial in the description section of this video. With all of that out of the way, let's see what we've come up with.
Smoking reefer clouds, demons sleeping out. Give me 3 more rounds, bitch, I need to drown. They been sleeping on me, guess I'm dreaming now. They been sleeping on me, guess I'm dreaming now. Bitch, I've been